What matters more in your trading, guys? Accuracy of the trading or managing the risk after? And would you risk your trading with a whole balance when the signals look strong? So today I will show you exactly how I do it. Let's go. We're trading on the daily market, and I already done a solid analysis of the charts of the recent period of time. And right here in front of you are the assets with the most optimal market behavior and payout percentages. So for today's market conditions, we'll be using this set of indicators, fractal bands with a period of 5, a weighted moving average with a period of 20, and this is oscillator also with a period of 20. And today we'll use a breakout strategy, and in addition we'll rely on the weighted moving average and the overbought, oversold areas. And as we trade during the trading, I'll explain how to open positions properly and what conditions you need to follow. And we'll trade today on the 1 minute time frame, and the first trade will be $50. So let's get going and let's push for a good run up and pick the first currency pair for the optimal entry point. And here our first position will be a buy, following the actual market dynamic. And guys, as you can see right now, we can also draw a trend line here. Several nice touches I see, and the last one worked perfectly. We see the weighted moving average crossing from below upward, price moving within the fractal band, so we open a buy. Also, there is a reversal from the oversold area on the oscillator, and 20 seconds until the close. So let's check the result, guys. And the first trade closed in profit. Very well, so let's open the next one with a maximum balance. And my dear friends, I think everything here was clear and no questions should remain. And let's continue and pick the next entry. Well guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too, so I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And you know, if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. And once again, right here, I'll open a buy position following the trend. And what else? Another trend line can be drawn. And we see a solid touch that worked out. And there was a breakout of the lower fractal band upward, and the weighted crossed from below upward. So I'm opening a buy here, and the oscillator also have the crossing from the oversold area. This trade also closes in profit, great as always. And the next trade I'll again open with a maximum balance. Let's move on and pick the next entry. Well, here I'll open a sell position, and we have very strong dynamic on the chart over the last section, and I'm entering on the weighted moving average crossing from top to bottom. And also there is a bounce from the oversold area, and in general the market is showing strong movement, so I believe this is the right decision. Plus, we had a false breakout of the upper fractal band, so I'm opening a sell position. So let's check the result. The trade closed in profit. Perfect. So awesome. So let's keep risking with the maximum balance one more time to reach comfortable profit target for today's trading. And you know guys, I think I've explained everything so clear. So let's continue and look for the next entry. And let's open a buy position here. We already had the crossing from the oversold area on the oscillator and break out of the lower fractal band upward and awaited moving average crossing from below upward. And after that, there was slight pullback. So I'll open a buy position here and let's see the result. Excellent! The trade closed in profit. Well, very good result. So let's lock in this great profit, guys. But before finishing, let's analyze a couple more trades. I want to use the full balance now. The first one I'll open with $50, and the second one will depend on the situation. So let's continue and pick up the next entry. And here I immediately open a sell position, and once again, just like in one of the early trades, we have a false breakout of the upper fractal band, and the weighted moving average is crossing from top to bottom. So the oscillator shows the crossing from the overbought area, so the dynamics suggest opening a sell position here. Let's check the result. And this trade closes in profit. Excellent. And for the final trade, let's open with $52 and analyze one last entry. Honestly, today's profit already satisfies me more than enough, so I won't take unnecessary risks. And let's continue and pick the next pair. And here I will try opening a sell position, even though the previous candle had a strong bearish impulse and we had a breakout of the lower fractal band downward, and we have seen this pattern earlier, so it's fine. So let's give it a try. And as we can see here, the candle moved even lower and it reached its level, but volatility here is quite high, so maybe this one will close in loss. So let's have a look, and 15 seconds to go. Oh yeah, unfortunately the trade closed in loss. The previous candle had a long shadow, so chances were high, but not enough for us. The position closed in minus, into the red, but nothing critical. As I said, today's profit is already more than enough for me, so let's fix it. So today's profit is exactly $900. And the withdrawal operation is successfully completed, guys. Profit locked in and $900 withdrawn, guys. The strategy worked out really well today, but tell me, really, do you think it's smarter to focus only on trend trades, or is it worth catching reversals too? I'd love to hear your opinion, guys, in the comments. And guys, if you have any questions during the watching this video, you found some unclear moments and you want to figure this out, so go below this video, you'll find all the necessary links exactly to my Telegram where you can message me right now. So go there and check it out, and see you. Bye.